So you saw us installing all these cabinets together. They were all prepared and manufactured and fitted with all the hardware already in the factory. So it's very easy that 1 or 2 people can install this kind of a cabinetry, a kitchen, in just an hour or 2. Ideally, this place, if it would have been finished with the tiling and the electric and the water, the plumbing points, as well as for the cooking, then we would have already gone ahead and put the worktop on this and made the sink cut out, put the sink in it, and this kitchen would have been already ready to use. But the next step in this case would be the granite will now be fitted along with the sink, and the tiling will be done, and we would be back here to install the overhead cabinets.